Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening personalization so Windows stops rotating images. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. This goes directly to background options. Once there, set background to picture or solid color instead of slideshow. Make sure you select a specific image or a single color so Windows has no slideshow source to pull from. If you use picture, pick an image and set Choose a Fit. This first step removes the automatic slideshow trigger at the system level. Next, remove other automatic sources that can swap wallpapers. Open Themes and verify you're not using a theme that includes a slideshow. Switch to a static theme. Then go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Sync your settings, and turn off Theme Sync so cloud devices don't overwrite your choice. Also check Task Scheduler and Focus Assist or any wallpaper apps. Disable or uninstall wallpaper rotator utilities. These steps stop background changes coming from themes, cloud sync, or scheduled tasks. Finish by applying and confirming your static choice. Sign out or restart Explorer. EXE or reboot the PC so settings take effect. Make sure no third-party wallpaper app runs on startup by checking Task Manager right arrow Startup. Disable any you don't need. If the wallpaper still changes, create a new local user account to see if the problem is profile-specific. That isolates corrupted settings. If it persists system-wide, scan for unwanted apps or restore a recent system, restore point to reverse changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.